Greeting students. In a previous video, you have already learned about the define of the matrix, types of the matrix and others. Now, today we are discussing about the operation of matrices. You know that in mathematics we have four types of operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Similarly, in the matrix, these operation we will use. How can addition of the matrix, how can subtraction of the matrix, how can multiplication of the matrix. So now today we will understanding about the addition of the matrix, subtraction, multiplication, division, and with the example and with the exercise questions of this chapter. Now chapter number 3 of matrix, and now my second video for matrix. Keep regularly it and subscribes also. Now first operation of mathematics is addition. Now today we are discussing operations of matrices. Firstly, addition of matrix. Addition of matrix. If we have given the two matrix A, B, C, and how can we are added it? Now, if we have given 2 and 3, 2 and more than matrix, then addition of matrix, we are adding the corresponding elements of both matrix and others matrix. If we have given a matrix A, similarly 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and second is B matrix given -1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now A plus B equal to corresponding elements. It means first element of this matrix and first element of this matrix we are adding. So now 3, but sign is here minus, so -1. Second 4 plus 2. Third element 5 plus 3. Now similarly in the second row 7 plus 4, 8 plus 5, 9 plus 6, 8 plus 5, 9 plus 6. These are the corresponding elements, because first corresponding element adding to the second corresponding elements, second matrix, and after that added. Here -1 because the sign of the first elements of matrix B is negative, then we subtract each other. Now 3 -1 equal to 2, 4 plus 2, 6, 5 plus 3, 8, 7 plus 4, 11, 8 plus 5, 13, and 9 plus 6 equal to 15. It is your answer. It is our answer of A plus B. Similarly, in subtraction, we will take the sign between two corresponding elements is minus. Subtract each other the corresponding elements of the matrix. In a subtraction is the same. Multiplication is a very important part, but we will solve subtraction, addition and multiplication with example and question of exercise 3.1, 3.2. Then directly we will solve and question of exercise 3.2. The first question is there of 3.2. 3.2 first question is given exercise 3.2. Here question number first, we have given let a equal 3 by 3, 2, 4, 2, and second b equal 1, 3, minus 2 and 5, c equal to, we have given c minus 2, 5, 3 and 4. First we will solve is a first part of this question, a plus b. So look here, how can we will add in the matrix A and B. We have given matrix A 2, 4, 3, 2 plus B 1, 3, minus 2 and 5. How can we add it? Means 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, minus 2 and 5. In previous some before, we have know that in an addition case we will add the corresponding element of both matrices. Corresponding elements means the first element of this plus first element of second matrix. So 2 plus 1. Similarly, the second elements and second elements of other matrix. So 4 plus 3, 3 minus 2. Because here the sign is a minus 2, then we write here minus 2, 2 plus 5. Now we are getting the answer is 3, 7, 1 and 5. So it is the addition of both matrices A and B. Firstly, adding of the corresponding elements. Corresponding elements means first element and second elements, first elements, second elements, third elements, fourth elements and fourth elements in case of addition, and we take the sign of plus. Is secondly the subtraction, it is a part of second A minus B. A minus B we have given also 2, 4, 3, 2 and minus 7, because here the operation is subtraction. Near 2, 1, 3, minus 2 and 5. Subtraction. Similarly to the procedure of the addition. Similarly, but signs will be changed. 2 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 3 and minus 2, because here we will the elements with the negative sign. So we write here minus is the subtraction sign and minus 2 the element sign. 2 minus 5. Next 2 minus 1 equal to 1, 4 minus 3 equal to also 1, 3 minus plus 3 plus 2, and if we are subtracting 2 minus 5, the sign greater number is 5 minus 2, 3, and we will take the sign of greater digits, the numbers. Next, same procedure 1, 1, 3 plus 5, 3 plus 2 equal to 5 and minus 3. It is the answer of second part. Now here is third part, 3a minus c. So how can it is the second part done. Now third part is third part is 3a minus c. Third part of this question, 3a minus c equal 3a. A sign is 2, 4, 3 and 2. Minus c means minus 2, 5, 3 and 4. If we multiply the any constants with the matrix, so we multiply it by each elements of the matrix. It means the multiplier 3 multiply 2, 3 multiply 4, 3 multiply 3 and 3 multiply 2. Now if we multiply the any matrix with the constant, then the constant multiplier with each elements of matrix. Get 3 multiply 2, 3 multiply 4, 3 multiply 3 and 3 multiply 2. Next subtraction is C, so minus 2, 5, 3 and 4. Again 3 multiply 6, 3 multiply 2, 6, 3 multiply 4, 12, 3 multiply 3, 9, 3 multiply 2, 6. Multiply is 3 multiply 2, 6, 3 multiply 4, 12, 3 multiply 3, 9, 3 multiply 2 equal to 6. Same minus 2, 5, 3 and 4. Subtract it. Same procedure. Corresponding elements. Subtract corresponding element means first element subtract second element. 12 multiply minus 5 to 6 minus 2, because here we have an extra negative sign. Minus 5, 9 minus 3, 6 minus 4. Next is 6 minus plus 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 12 minus 5, 7, 9 minus 3, 6 and 6 minus 4 equal to 2. So now getting 6 plus 2, 12 minus 5 equal to 7, 9 minus 3 equal to 6 and 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Again 8, 7, 6 and 2. It is our answer. So the 3a minus c equal to, we get 8, 7, 6 and 2. Now the next question is A, B. Next part of this question, how can it is a different from addition and subtraction. Multiplication is a part. Now A, B, fourth part of this, A, B. It means product of A and B. We have given the both matrix and multiply it. So we write down here 4, 2, 4, 3, 2, second 1, 3, minus 2 and 5. Multiplication of each other. So multiplication is different from addition and subtraction, but it's a simple procedure. We will take its first row and first column, multiply its, means this and this type of section, that and the second this column. So now 2 multiply 1 and 4 multiply -2, and we will take the sign of positive in between. First corresponding element 2 multiply 1 and 4 multiply -2. Second 4 multiply -2. Second same, take the row first, take the first row of matrix A and second column of matrix B, means this and this. 2 multiply 3 and plus sign 4 multiply 5. Again, अब we will write the elements of second row. So here we will take the second row. Take second row and take column first and again column second of matrix B. So now multiply, same procedure, 3 multiply 1 plus 2 multiply -2. Take second column and first second row, 3 multiply 3 and plus 2 multiply 5. Understand about it? In a multiplication, we will take the first row of matrix A and multiply it by the first column and second column of matrix B in both elements which corresponding and say multiply it, but divide it in the sign of positive. Similarly, in the second row, multiply first column of B matrix, and for second elements of here, fourth elements, we will take the second row and second column of this. Again 2 multiply 2, solve it. 2 multiply 2, 2. 4 multiply -2, -8. 2 multiply 3, 6 plus 20. 4 multiply 5. 3 multiply 1, 3 -4. 3 multiply 3, 9 plus 10. Now solve it. 2 minus 8 minus 6. 6 plus 20 equal to 26. 3 minus 1 and 19. Yeah, it is the answer of A multiply B. Similarly, the next part is B A. It means opposite. The answer is not same, because now in second case BA means we will write B in first and A in second. Then firstly we will take the row of B in case of B and A. To do it yourself. Again, the second question of this exercise, we will solve it. Similarly, this procedure is also we will do multiplication, but here for multiplication we should be noted which matrix we will multiply. Now question number 2 of this exercise, first compute the following. Compute the following. Compute the following. First part is A B minus B A plus A B B A. Similarly, there is a positive sign. So in previous question we have already this type of question. It means A plus A a plus corresponding element, adding corresponding elements, b plus b minus b plus b and a plus a plus a. This element plus this element, this element plus this element, this. So now 2a plus a 2a, b plus a b 2b. Negative and positive sign both are cross deleted each other. Now 2a. It is the answer of first part of this question. Now I will do is second part of this. Second part is here. First is a square plus b square. Second element is b square plus c square. Now a square plus c square, a square and plus b square, adding it in the 2ab 2bc and here minus 2ac and minus 2ab. The procedure we will use similarly, the use of the addition only. Then we will solve again. First element adding first corresponding element of second. Here a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here b square plus c square plus 2bc. Now a square plus c square minus 2ac and this a square plus b square minus 2ab. And in the previous classes you have given it will be make a identity. We know that identity is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Second, similarly the negative sign a minus c square equal to a square plus c square minus 2ac. In previous classes we have already understood about this type of identities. So now we write here a plus b the whole square. Second, b plus c whole square, a minus c square, a minus c square and here a minus b square. So it is the answer of this part, a plus b square. Second is b plus c square and next is a minus c square whole square and a minus b whole square. Now we are doing this the part fourth part is there. Third part is very easy. Simply you will add with the corresponding elements. Now the fourth part of this question is cos square a x sin square x and sin square x cos square x plus the second part is this sin square x cos square x here cos square x and now is sin square x. So it is a question. Now how can we will solve this type of question? Similarly use of matrix operation of addition. because sign here is addition sign. So how can we solve? Similarly, corresponding elements we will take and adding it. So now first element is cos square x plus sin square x, cos square x plus sin square x. Second corresponding elements sin square x plus cos square x. Next, second row sin square x plus cos square x, and last is cos square x plus sin square x. And in trigonometry we have already understood about the identity sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. In the previous classes we have already, in the chapter of trigonometry, this type of identity we have learned. Sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Similarly, cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1. So put the value of sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1 of this matrix. So now we will get 1, 1, 1 and 1. It is the answer of this part of question 2. Part of question 2, it is answer, because in previous classes all the formulas we have learned, these formulas will be used in the senior classes also, not for deeply, but in the case of some places and some particular places and solving the question. Now next, the question is, third question, the product. Before solving the third question, we will define some about the multiplication of product. Firstly, the rule of product, the rule of multiplication, and second name is product in matrix. If the condition should be, if we will multiply the two matrix, the condition is must. The first matrix number of column and second matrix number of rows should be equal. It means if we have given a matrix 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, how many columns are there? Then if we are product of both matrix, so we should be 3 row in second matrix row. One, 2, 7, 5, 3. This type of this. If here we have 3 column, but here we should be a 3 row, then we multiply it, otherwise no. Understand everyone? So multiplication condition is there. First this and this, and this. So now how can you multiply this? In the condition of the number of column of first matrix first matrix should be या must be should be and must be should be or must be should be or must be the must be equal to number of rows in second matrix, then we multiply it. Now the question is there, how can we multiply it? Condition is same, the number of column of first matrix should be equal to the number of row of second elements, second matrix. Here one column, two column and three column. Now here row, first row, second row and third row. It means it is a first A is a order of set A, matrix A equal to 2 multiply 3 and order of matrix B equal to 3 multiply 2. If the condition is follow, this type of condition is follow, then we multiply it. Otherwise the condition is not follow, we can't not multiplication. A use of the operation multiplication in the matrices. The condition, you understand it? Firstly, the first matrix column should be equal to the rows of second matrix. Again, some question we will solve here. Now, the third question of this exercise is how can we will multiplication and product of the numbers. Question is, firstly there is first part of third question, compute the indicated following. Only 1 and 2 parts I will solve, another part you will solve yourself. The first part is there, A minus B, B and A. Second is A, B minus B and A. Condition is follow, because we have here first matrix has 2 columns and second has 2 rows. It means the property of multiplication is follow. Now we multiply this. Similarly, this row and first column multiply it. First corresponding element multiply and take in sign between plus B multiply B. It is an element of first. Say for second element of this row of first matrix and column of second matrix. So multiply this corresponding elements B multiply A, but taken a positive sign in between. Similarly, for elements of second row, minus B multiply A plus A multiply B. This type of situation. Firstly, for element of first row and for second, we take the second row of first matrix and continuously first column and second column. Here also first column and second column. This type of this and this. For second, this element row and this and this and this. Now minus B multiply minus B and A multiply. Now answer is A multiply A square plus B square here minus AB, because plus minus minus, A multiply B equal to AB plus AB, BA multiply AB. Similarly minus BA plus AB, and here minus minus plus B square plus A square, because if we will multiply A multiply then A square, again the answer is A square plus B square. Both are same numbers, same elements, same numbers and opposite sign, it means here image. Similarly this type 0 and B square plus A square, it is answer of this part. Again we will solve the next part of second third part, we will do it, and we will multiply here question number 4th part of this question. All the part you will do, but here I will solve the 4th part because it is for some lengthy and maybe you will some confused, so I will do it. Part is just this 4th part. 4th part is 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. Second part is, second matrix is 1, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 4, 3, 0 and 5. Yes, check it. 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 1, minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 4, 3, 0, 5. Yes. Firstly, we will see it is follow the condition of multiplication, yes or no. Firstly, we will check. Now, how many columns are first matrix is 3, and now the row of second matrix is 3. It means we will product of both matrix. Now similarly first row, for the first element of answer we will take the row and first column, multiply it and divided it, connected in the addition. 2 multiply 1, 3 multiply 0, 4 multiply 3. For second element, because we are starting here for row, for second element 2 multiply minus 3, 2 multiply minus 3, this situation 2 multiply minus 3, 3 multiply 2, 4 multiply 0. Now for third element similarly first row and third column, so 2 multiply 5 plus 3 multiply 4 and 4 multiply 5. Yes. Now for second element here, for second row, now if we will take the elements of second row, so we will take here the second row and multiply this for first row. Now 3 multiply 1, 4 multiply 0 plus 5 multiply 3. Next is second row and second column of second matrix. 3 multiply minus 3, 4 multiply 2 and plus 5 multiply 0, 5 multiply 0. Next 3 multiply 5 plus 4 multiply 4 and 5 multiply 5. 5 multiply 5. Understand? This type of question for elements of second row, we will take the second row of first matrix and continuously multiply with the corresponding element columns. Up next, 4 multiply 1, 5 multiply 0, 5 multiply 0 plus 6 multiply 3. This second, 4 multiply minus 3, 5 multiply 2 and 6 multiply 0. For third element, 4 multiply 5, 5 multiply 4 and 6 multiply 5. Now again we will solve it. How can we solve it? Two multiply. Solve it. 2 multiply 1 2 plus 0, 3 multiply plus 0 plus 12. Second, minus 6 plus 6 or plus 0. Minus 6 plus 6 and 0. Third is 2 multiply 5 10 plus 12 plus 20. Multiplies. For second, 3 plus 0 plus 15. 3 1 is 3, 4 multiply 0 0, 5 multiply 3 15, minus 9 plus 8 plus 0. Third is 15 plus 16 plus 25. Next is here 4 plus 0 plus 18, 4 plus 0 plus 18, here minus 12 plus 10 plus 0. Here 20 plus 20 plus 30. Clear? Firstly, we will use the product rule, and after the solving and use the board mass. Board mass means in the previous classes, firstly we will multiply it. Bracket open, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. It is a board mass. So we will use here the board mass. Now again solve. 2 plus 14 plus 0 plus 12. Here 6 cross only 0. Here 22 plus 12 42 and next here 3 plus 0 to 18 minus 1 40 56 again 22 18 minus 2 and here 20 40 and 70. Clear? 14 18 22 0 minus 1 minus 2 42 56 and 70. It is answer of this part. So clear? Now it is answer. So this video we have solving how can we will product, addition and subtraction. Division is the same similarly, because next number of question we will solve this type of, but here the procedure of multiplication, procedure of addition, procedure of subtraction we have done. So many questions are there of this exercise we have given and in the your notebook answer question he have given, and you will solve it easily. Procedure 3 and 4 question I have done, and other question you will done in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.